Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward topic: how to add your Kindle to your Amazon account in 2025. Whether you're a bookworm eager to dive into your latest read or just setting up a new device, this guide will have you sorted in no time. First off, why bother? Linking your Kindle ensures seamless access to your purchased books, audiobooks, and even personalized recommendations right on your device. Let's jump right in. Before we start, make sure you have an active Amazon account. If you don't, head over to Amazon's website and create one. It's quick and free. Now, grab your Kindle device and power it on. You'll see the home screen pop up. Next, connect your Kindle to a stable Wi-Fi network. This is crucial because we'll need internet access to complete the setup. Once connected, go to your Kindle's settings menu. It's usually found by swiping down from the top or tapping the gear icon. Look for Device Options or Your Account. This might vary slightly depending on your Kindle model, but don't worry, it's intuitive. Select Register or Deregister, Register if it's already linked to another account. Now, enter your Amazon account email and password on the Kindle's screen. Hit Submit, and voila, your device should sync up automatically. If you run into any hiccups, like an error message, double-check your Wi-Fi connection or ensure your account details are correct. Sometimes, Amazon might prompt you to verify your identity via email or text. It's all about security. Once registered, you can start downloading books directly to your Kindle. There you have it, folks. Adding your Kindle to your Amazon account is that simple. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy reading in 2025.